These are some of my first packaging repurpose. This first one came from a smaller action figure set. I got it in a trade, so I'm not really sure which set it came from. These little sensors Velcro to the top. I used some old graphics I had. Kind of my inspiration for some of the newer projects I've been doing. And of course, I have my Bass Eagle logo on the front of it. And these sensors could be whatever you want them to be. And this just fastens to the bottom portion, which has a keyboard. The second one was a case for Maglite, one of the smaller Maglites. The screen I Velcroed to the back of this. I might end up redoing this one. It snaps closed. I used to have a handle on it, but the handle broke off during the time I had it in storage. I think this old Maglite case makes a really nice portable computer. Even adding the little small desk light, it really looks cool. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this one. Kind of a short one. We're still working up to our 100th video. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. See you in the next one.